Hello there and welcome to another episode of Quick View. If you're new to the channel, this is a tech unboxing, review and tutorials channel. So make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. On this episode, I want to review the bare high quality power bank from WK Design. This is a 20,000 milliamps power bank. It does have some pros and cons. They claim it can charge laptops, it can charge mobile phones, camera, accessories, game consoles, etc, so I'm going to do a review on it so that we can see if this would definitely work. So I'm going to segment this video into 5 parts: specifications, design and build quality, pros, cons, and who this power bank is for. This power bank is 20,000 milliamperes. This power bank has 2 ports. One supports 2.1 amps of charging. The second supports 1 amp of charging. In between those 2 ports, it has a torch light, which is not so bright, but it's manageable. And it has smart features such as high voltage protection and overcurrent protection. I like this tool a lot because I'm someone who loves to charge my power bank overnight, and so once I have overcurrent protection and high voltage protection, I do save myself the stress of having to buy a new power bank or having to harm myself in the night, since I charge my power bank close by my bed all the time. So yeah, those 2 features are very good and very necessary. So thumbs up to WK Design for including these features in the bare high quality power bank. This power bank is generally made out of plastic. I like the fact that it has an LCD at the top so that you can see the exact power remaining in your battery pack. And I like the fact that it has this matte plastic feel at the bottom so that holding it in the palm feels very comfortable. I also like the fact that it has rounded corners and it's kind of curved on the side so that when you're holding it in the palm, it feels so comfortable. So all in all, I think I'll give WK Design a thumbs up for the power bank because it's so huge, yet it's so comfortable to hold in the hand and carry around with no stress at all. There are a lot of things I love about this power bank. Number 1 is the LCD display. You know, I mean, I've used power banks that have those LED indicators, but then it makes you guess the power remaining in the power bank. And I don't really like guessing because sometimes I want to go somewhere important and I can't guess the power, taking into consideration that I really use a lot of power, and I'll always want my battery on my phone to be very stable. So the second thing I do like about this power bank is the fact that it has a torch light, and it does come in handy when you do need it. So yeah, that's one thing I do like about the bare high quality power bank from WK Design. The third thing I love about the power bank is the fact that its inputs are 2 amps, which is so convenient because you can really charge this power bank fast, and its outputs as 2 amps as well. So if you're someone who wants to just grab your power bank and head to town, this thing can charge so fast. And yeah, that's one thing I do like about the power bank. I've seen other power banks out there that do output at 2 amps, so you can charge your phones or charge your other devices at 2 amps. But then if you have to charge that power bank, it supports 1 amp, meaning it's going to take a very long time to power up the power bank, which is a no-no for me. Oh, so you're out there thinking this is like the best power bank ever, this is so good and nothing can go wrong with this power bank. Well, I have some bad news for you. This power bank definitely has some cons, and the first one is the size. I've seen like other power banks that are same 20,000 milliamperes but not so huge. I feel this one is so big as compared to other power banks. I feel it's a little bit chunky and it's a little bit heavy. I think they could have done a lot better in making it a little bit compact like Xiaomi's 20,000 milliamperes power bank. But yeah, I think that's my first con. My second con is the fact that it has 2 ports. Just one supports 2 amps of charging and the other one is just 1 amps. Because I feel they could have done better by making both 2 amps, because this is like 20,000, this is a big power bank. And so I'm just sad they made one fast charge and the other 1 amps, which is a con for me. I didn't like that. I feel they could have done better by putting 2 amps in the second, like what they did in the 10,000 version of the WK Design Bright Moon power bank, but they didn't do that, and to me that's one con. So those are my cons for the bare higher quality power bank from WK Design. So who is this power bank for? This power bank is for, you know, long distance commuters. If you're someone who travels a lot and you need power, a lot of power, the WK Design bare high quality 20,000 milliamp power bank can do you some good. If you're a student and you're on campus, you have a laptop that has Type-C, this power bank can help you too. If you want to charge other devices or friends, this thing can help you. It can make you look good in front of your friends. So yeah, this power bank is for students, long range, commuters. I wouldn't advise anyone who wants portability to go for this power bank. I'd rather recommend the WK Design Bright Moon power bank. I'm going to drop a link in the comment section down below. I'm going to put the video here so that if you want to go watch that review, you can do that easily. Yeah, so I'd rather recommend that one if you want something more portable. But if you're someone who loves power, if you want to use a lot of power like me, you definitely go for the bare high quality WK Design 20,000 power bank. I'm going to drop links in the comment section down below. If you do want to purchase this can be gotten from the device hub. It's going for 180 Ghana cedi now, and so you can just rush there to get it while stock lasts. Thank you for watching this episode of Quick View. I go by the name Soji Gray. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up in the comment section. And if you didn't, you can dislike it. Either ways, I'll catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.